Look closely, those tiny dark dots on your nose, they're not dirt, they're not bad hygiene. They're something your skin's been trying to tell you for months. And tonight, we're finally going to listen. You've scrubbed, you've picked, you've tried the pore strips that rip, sting, and give you 3 days of relief before everything comes right back. It's frustrating, isn't it? Like your skin is stuck in a loop, clean for a moment, clogged again by tomorrow. You start to wonder if this is just how your skin is. It's not. Here's what most people get wrong. Blackheads aren't dirt sitting on top of your skin, so scrubbing harder doesn't fix them. They're oxidized oil trapped inside your pore. Aggressive scrubbing just irritates the surface, while the real problem sits untouched, underneath. The skin doesn't need force. It needs a system, one that softens, lifts, and releases instead of fighting against itself. That's the Korean skincare philosophy behind everything we're about to do. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Oil cleanses oil, dissolves oil. This is the first key to unlocking a clogged pore. Warm a small amount of cleansing oil between your palms, and massage it gently into dry skin, focusing on the nose and chin. Notice how the hardened, stubborn buildup begins to soften almost instantly, melting, loosening, becoming fluid again. Step 2. Foaming cleanse. Now we remove the oil residue and any leftover impurities sitting on the surface. A gentle, low pH foaming cleanser worked in slow circular motions, light, airy. Skin feels clean, but never stripped, never tight. Step 3. BHA exfoliation. This is where the real work happens. BHA travels inside the pore, breaking down the oil and debris plug from within. A few drops applied to clean, dry skin, no scrubbing, just patience. A faint, cool tingle. Not sharp, not painful. Just working quietly beneath the surface. Step 4. Extraction. With the plug softened, congestion can finally be released safely without trauma to the skin. Gentle, even pressure with a proper extraction tool, only after the pore has been thoroughly prepped. Step 5. Barrier lock. Every pore that's been cleared needs to be calmed and sealed, or it will simply refill. A lightweight, ceramide-rich moisturizer pressed gently into the skin. Cool. Soothing. Like closing a door that was left open all day. Cinematic satisfaction moment. Watch closely. The pore releases what it's been holding on to for weeks. Clean, complete, effortless. This is what skin looks like when it's finally free. No redness, no trauma, just relief. Common mistakes. A few things to leave behind starting today. 1. Stop using pore strips on dry skin. Without prep, they only pull off surface hair and skin, not the actual blockage. 2. Never extract with your fingers. Unsanitized pressure causes scarring, not clearing. 3. Don't skip moisturizer after treatment, thinking it will keep skin clean. Bare, unprotected skin overproduces oil even faster. Small shifts, big difference. Soothing recovery pays now. We slow down. This is the part your skin has been waiting for, not another active, not another treatment. Just calm. A soft, hydrating layer settling into freshly treated skin. No tightness, no irritation, just quiet repair happening on its own, exactly the way skin was designed to heal. Long-term transformation. Week 1. Pores already appear visibly smaller, less shine, less congestion by midday. Week 4. Blackheads that once reappeared within days now take weeks to even start forming. Week 8. Your skin texture changes entirely. Smoother under makeup, calmer under lights, steadier day to day. This isn't a one-time fix, it's a rhythm your skin learns to trust. Final protection step. And here is the step most people skip, the one that undoes everything if ignored. Every single morning, rain or shine, indoors or out. Because freshly treated, freshly cleared skin is more vulnerable to sun damage, not less. Skip this step, and every ounce of progress you just made. Fades, this isn't optional. This is the seal on everything you've built. Thank you for watching.